Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name Muhammad Alif Imran bin Abdullah. We are Group 11 and today we will present our plant operation practice for the Biodiesel Pilot Plant under the course BDG 20203. This presentation focuses on understanding the major facilities in the plant and how they operate in real industrial conditions. In the biodiesel pilot plant, there are 5 major facilities that support the production process. These facilities are the cooling tower, heat exchanger, boiler, air compressor, and chiller. Each system plays an important role in maintaining efficiency, safety, and process accessibility plant operation. Okay, nice. The objective of this practical season are threefold. First, to understand the basic operation of plant equipment. Second, to understand the role of each facility in the biodiesel plant. And lastly, to observe safety procedures and standard operating procedures during plant operation. What is boiler? The boiler is the main heat generation system in the plant. Its primary function is to produce steam for industrial processes such as heating and energy transfer. The boiler operates under high pressure and high temperature. Therefore, strict safety control is required at all times to prevent accident. During the practical session, we carry out identification of boiler fitting top line tracing using the PNID. We also observe the blowdown process, which is important to remove impurities from boiler water. The main fitting identified include the pressure gauge, safety valve, and water level indicator, all of which are critical for safe boiler operation. Thank you.
What is a heat exchanger? A heat exchanger is a device used to transfer heat between two fluids without allowing them to mix. It is commonly used to improve energy efficiency in industrial process. During the observation, two types of heat exchanger we identify, which is shell and tube and plate exchanger. Next, heat exchanger practical activities. For the practical activities, we perform dismantling and reassembling of the heat exchanger. We identify key components such as a plate or tube and a gasket. We also observe falling and wear of the surface, which highlighted the importance of regular maintenance and inspection to ensure efficient heat transfer. Now, let's go to the next part, cooling tower. What is cooling tower? The cooling tower functions to remove excess heat from the system through evaporator cooling. It supports the operation of the heat exchanger and a chiller system. This system is essential for maintaining temperature control and preventing overheating of equipment. During the practical session, we identify major components of the cooling tower, such as fan, fill material, and water distribution system. We observe the water circulation process and learn the importance of chemical treatment. Chemical treatment is the necessary to prevent scaling and biological growth, which can reduce system efficiency.
Thanks, my dear friend Firdaus, and now I'll be talking about the chiller system. The chiller system is used to provide precise temperature control in industrial processes. It is commonly applied in sensitive processes that require stable operating conditions. The chiller operates using a refrigeration cycle to remove heat from the process fluid. In this activity, we identify the inlet and outlet chilled water lines and the control panels. We also monitor temperature readings and observe the operating stability of the systems. So this ensures process efficiency as well as consistent product quality. And next is the air compressor. The air compressor supplies compressed air for various plant utilities, and it acts as a support system for pneumatic equipment and instrumentation. Compressed air is essential for smooth and automated plant operation. So, in a practical session, we observe a screw-type air compressor during the practical sessions. So, the key components identified include the compressor unit, air reservoir tank, and pressure gauge. There is a lot other component too, but the system showed stable pressure and low vibration, which emphasize the importance of routine maintenance for reliable operation. So finally, in conclusion, this practical session enhance our understanding of real plant system, and it improves our awareness of operational procedures and safety requirements. The hands-on exposure successfully bridge between theoretical knowledge with real industrial practice, preparing us for future work in the industry. And we are from Group 11. We hope we can improve our own knowledge in the near future, and we thank you for watching this video.